This is the 1982 YZ490 update. So just about ready to start it. Before I do, just give you a rundown. So the engine's had new bearings and seals. Top end I left because it only just been done recently. Exhaust has been stripped back and painted, same with engine. Code was cleaned out, put back together. Some of the plastics has been all polished, cleaned up except for the rear guard. The new seat cover, handlebar's been painted. Now get a new kill switch, that one's broken. Need a front number plate. So the front forks, took them apart, polished up the front tubes, put new seals in, cleaned up the fork protectors and put all that back together, new oil. Front brakes, just cleaned it up and polished all the bits and painted. Same with the front rim, just cleaned it up. Now I've still got to put the chain on, waiting on the rear chain slider. This one's had a bit of a mod for the kickstand, which I won't put back on. Exhaust pipe side guard I haven't got, so I need to get one of them still. And I've just got to get a new lever for the brake, probably get a new brake cable. I'll just put a cap of fuel down the spark plug before I start it. So the chain, so all the brakes and linkages, it doesn't wobble now like it used to. I still got to paint the pegs and put them on so I can stand on it. All the swing arms been polished, ready for a sticker kit. I'll do the spokes another time. So I've done the new bearings on the inner part of the swing arm there. The bushes and all the bearings here don't seem too bad. The rear shock has been rebuilt by Hoey. Put a new air cleaner in and given it some oil. It's going to clean up the cover. So yeah, everything's been either polished or repainted and rebuilt. So I'm just going to put the phone down and give it a start up and have a listen. Thanks for watching so far. Sounds pretty good. Sounds a lot quieter than before. New bearings. Started first kick with a bit of fuel down the spark plug. Just turn the fuel off and drain it. Yeah.